secure that foundation. Never gonna be another one, no. I follow, so taken, so conditioned I can never let go. Then sorrow, then sickness, then the shock when you flip it on me. So hollow, so vicious, so afraid I couldn't let myself see. I can never be held back or up, no, I hold myself. Check the rep, yeah, you know my well. Forget the rest, I don't know my hell. There I'm back, yeah, my soul ain't shell. Kept respect up, the best they fell. Let the rest be the tale they tell that I was there singing. These promises broken, each word gets lost in the echo. So one last lie, I can see through. This time I finally rise out. Back down, I don't fuck up and I don't bow. I don't roll over, don't know how. I don't care where the enemies are. Can't be stopped, all I know, go hard. Won't forget how I got this far. Forever